gentlemen, as we take you to our beautiful islands, we'd like to reflect on Tioata, the people of Maori. And also, ladies and gentlemen, take you to my beautiful island of Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, relax. Get your wife in its upright position, gentlemen, as we take you to New Zealand.
Oh yeah, you have them all right there.
The Pofidi, ladies and gentlemen, of the Maori people, gives the different iwis on where and why and how and what eyes. Tioata wants to give you a Pofidi and see if we can come in, or is more than welcome to come to our San Diego PIFA. There's a token of peace of a feather or a fern put down. So cameraman, before you take that picture, can you grab that fern, so that feather? Okay, cut his neck. No. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a beautiful hand as we now take you. Kadanga of the call. Call of the people of the iwi of Tioata. Their call of cry of the people of Tioata. Dances of Tioata. Tioata is going to give you some waiata. The infamous poem, the Maori haka. We are dedicating this show to the men of rugby that is in the World Cup at this time. Go Manu Samoa and All Blacks. As Tioata takes you to Aotearoa. Nata kai koi toko utama te amarama kalangara wata. As we give you a white top, Tioata! 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 35, hooray! Tioata! little ones all the way from Tioata, they're gonna bring you their little number.